Smarties.
No.
Mum, where?
Put your Smarties on, Mike. Meg. What are you looking for, Mike?
No, I'm looking for them. Nice.
But why don't you just put the faces on the other ones?
No.
Lovely job. Grandad would be very proud of you.
Grandad will be proud of me.
He certainly will. He's big time proud of you. You're lovely, Meg. Meg got a little bit of help with the faces, didn't you?
Carried this morning.
Yes. And Mike is doing a fantastic job. He's doing them all by himself. Say thanks to Nan and Grandad.
Thanks, Nan. And Grandad.
Thanks, Grandad. Thanks, Nan.